Yes, it's Saturday, July 26th. Expressions will be at the BFF Expo at Harmony Beach.
We'll have merchandise on sale,
tumblers, tights, shirts,
you name it.
The gen of them, I don't know unity is strength. We have the hat them full. That is it. For the ladies, we have can I get a wow. And you know, we have shot glass for the whole of the rum drinker them. All bars. Just check in, man. We have all of the goods then. See? So check in and remember, anything you buy, you get it with a pen. Mark the bartender. So check in. Set in.
Join us. The whole bartender family and the agents family are go there.
July 26th at Harmony Beach.
She never tell a lie, people. And you don't know from who there, vibes are for there. You know when I carry the boring thing, so boss we had. We should. Alright. See. Wait, where's Sean then?
Sean, where you gone?
me I go down at Harmony Beach. Me I go start set up.
No, but that's
Sean,
not until July 26th.
you
Sean,
can't
come
do
here
that,
for bus. I will
Sean, you know what that?
Come on, man.
Thank you, man, Hannah, for me. They were a big help. It was expected. It was clean. I'll be in touch. Okay, meeting call to order. Welcome back, Agent Brissett.
Thank you, sir. It's good to be home.
And I see your first order of business was to change the look immediately.
I needed a new look to start new assignments.
Love you look, bossy.
I love it too. Look like you're on vacation, not assignment.
Listen, the assignment look, it's stressful. So as Milan, I just change it.
All right, let's get right down to business. Once again, we're on the attack. And they're getting really good at covering their tracks. This one was a little too close for comfort.
This is the closest one so far.
But the thing is, we know who go. We just can't pin it on him.
Yeah. And we don't have no hard evidence to say. We can't prove say him take the laptop.
The focus was never on him to try and get him for trying to break into the laptop. Yeah.
Why, sir? Taking property that is not yours? Conspiracy? I'm sure we can find about 3 things for pin on him.
I'm afraid you guys have missed the point. Angie,
Everton Daly is good at covering his tracks. And the fact that the agency is independent, nobody's going to help us with resources to find his involvement.
which means, as always, we are now on. So now our job is twofold. To find out if we can catch Daly at something politically unjust, or catch him doing something that warrants immediate incarceration.
While searching for the top player or players that's helping him in his vendetta.
You mean different from Majors and Rock's fiance?
It goes higher than them, much higher.
Sir,
Hmm?
you say everybody's a suspect, right?
Yes, I did.
When last you hear from Marcus Wallace?
Over a month now. Why?
What if him and Delia work together?
How would Marcus benefit from that? Remember, said Daly sit down in his seat, you know.
Yeah, but I understand what Tony I say. It's not like them a work for opposing sides. Them a work for the same party.
Exactly. What if them strike a deal and decide to work together to take down the agency?
You have a point, you know. And we can't forget how him did come after we.
It's in the same brother, Jonathan Majors, for doing dirty work.
I like how your mind is working, Tonya. But I don't see him working with Daly. If anything, I wouldn't be surprised if him switch parties and go against Daly and him dictate a party.
Sir, them are still part of the same party. Me not buy that. Them are still colleagues. I just political rivalry.
It's gone beyond that. Somehow I think Marcus is a little tired of the direction that the party is going in. And he wants to effect change. And that is why he's so desperate to get back that seat.
Him really seem different from him leave the institution, you know. But as far as I'm concerned, them can't change. It's only a matter of time before demon mentality come out.
Me not trust him none at all.
So hold on. You think I trust him? Trust is a very strong word. Let us just say I see him as the lesser of two evils. But let's not get distracted. There's a bigger fish in the pond. The person who was directing Rox's fiance.
You think it's a local entity, sir?
Bigger than local is an international group. And them know how to be a ghost.